Hey Hector, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for requesting your free video from the post I had in our restoration Facebook group. So today I'm going to go over a few tips that you guys can apply right away so that you can start having a stronger online presence and getting more organic leads. It is important to note that 70% of organic leads are going to come from your website. So your website needs to be completely optimized to capture that traffic. Now, you are a franchisee, and I know that a lot of franchises have regulations, and there's not a lot you can do. But some of these do allow you to make modifications to your content with their approval. So if that is something you're able to do, then it would be worth doing to modify. Some of these will not let you modify, but will let you write blog articles. So writing blog articles and focusing on your local buyer intent keywords is another really great way to do it, because then you link those keywords to your service pages and drive traffic that way. So most of these franchise companies have pretty standard pages that don't necessarily work for everybody's location. They have good content and good information, but they don't really have the important keywords for your area to drive that traffic organically. And so that's where trying blogs would be one way to go, or even having your own website where you have complete control, and then you can actually get leads from both of your sites. But Google does not rank a website based on appearance. It is all based on content. Content is key. So you need a lot of content, and the content needs to be written around your local buyer intent keywords, which are the keywords that people are actively searching for the services that you perform in your area. You need to make sure that your homepage has a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words or more. If your competitors have more, you're going to need more. The rule of thumb is always more than your competition. Whatever they're doing right, you want more of that. As a whole, the website itself looks pretty good. It's got good amount of content. So you just need to make sure the content is based around the keywords that you want to be ranking for your services. So if you're not able to modify, as I mentioned, there is a workaround with blogs or your own website. You want to make sure you have a separate page for every individual service you offer. That each has their own unique content, no duplicate content, and that your service areas, that you have a separate page for each of those with their own unique content and unique keywords. Google has robots that go and index all of these pages, and they pull the content and keywords so they can index you and then rank you, which is what will put you in front of your customers when they make that search. Now, one of your top competitors is San Antonio Water Damage and Restoration. It's not a fantastic website. It's poorly done, actually, and it's just proof that Google does not care what it looks like. Yes, they do have separate pages for every single one of their services and service areas. They are focused on those local buyer intent keywords. They have a little bit of content. They've got repetition of the keywords, which is necessary to a certain extent. Your website probably has more content, but it's kind of hard to tell. This is a really bad website. Let's see. Oh, there's more content. Okay. So you just need to have more than they do to be able to beat them content wise. And then a website by itself does not rank, or is not found. You need search engine optimization to complement your website, which is what's going to help you be found for your keywords and for your customers to find you. So, this score right here, this 12, is how you're performing for the San Antonio area. As you can see, you got all zeros here. So this 12 is actually because of the restoration one as a whole is giving you a little bit of an organic push. But realistically, you need to have a lot of backlinks and referring domains. You get credit for one backlink per referring domain, but you need a lot of these. You need more than your competitors, but not all are created equal. You need authoritative ones, which are directly related to your industry, and they need to be do follows. You will need more of those than your competitors, and also better quality. You have not been indexed for any keywords on your pages, because it's missing the repetition and your keywords for your area, and so you're not driving any traffic. So a blog might be the way to go, or a new website, as I mentioned, of your own website. Now, looking at your competitor, they only have a rating of a 6 for their website as a whole, with over 1,300 backlinks. So that proves that not all backlinks are created equal. You need to make sure that you have more than they have, but better quality. So in order to beat these guys, you would need more than 196 referring domains to be able to beat these guys. But they have been indexed for over 600 keywords, and so they're driving 566 people on average to their website a month. So that shows you the volume that you're missing out on by not having control of that website and optimizing it. Now, backlinks, well, I can't show you that one. Sorry. So a backlink is when one website links to your website and then drives traffic to it. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant all of these sites are to your industry, the more power and authority it will give you, and it will help you to rank. You also need to be linking these to your keywords. So your keywords can rank to the top page in Google, and you can be found for your services in each of your service areas. The other thing, especially being an emergency restoration, it's important that you're found no matter where they look. And people tend to look in 3 different areas: in the ads, maps, and organics. So being found in each of these areas would be an ideal situation. Pay-per-click and local ads work very well, and they also complement your SEO and work together to help you rank for those keywords. So these are really good. Being in the top 3 of the maps is also essential, because 30% of people come straight here and won't go anywhere else. So if you're not listed in this top 3 section for each of your service areas, then you're sending all of those leads to your competitors. Now, there are a number of factors that go into this, but the most important are citations, which are going to be the name of your business, address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of places like Yelp, Facebook, Instagram, Yellow Pages, etc. So you need more of those and better quality than your top competitor. And when you follow all of these tips I've provided you today, your website can be #1 across Google for each of your services and in each of your service areas with those relevant keywords when used properly. We really hope that you've enjoyed this video and found the tips to be useful so that you can start applying that and getting more of those leads. I would love to get your feedback and what you thought of this video. And if you do end up needing help with any of this, go ahead and give us a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.